Mother Margaret had a massive stroke, and we didn't find her for more than a day and a half. And she immediately went from hospital care, less than a week, to a nursing home. And we had no idea the impact of the stroke or the impact of her living such a long time in this nursing home. Chris really helped us a lot in understanding what we needed to do to protect Mother Margaret's assets, to better understand the pre-qualifications for Medicaid planning. He guided us through the whole process of ensuring that Mother Margaret's assets were not going to be completely spent, that there would be enough for her care for however long she remained alive, and perhaps something of a monetary legacy for our children.
We would certainly recommend Chris and have to friends, because in this area you cannot go it alone. Common sense will lead you into the woods. It's frightfully complicated, and the average person, if they haven't had somebody through this, is ill prepared to deal with what they're going to have to deal with. Well, at first we came in because my mother was in a nursing home, and we were in the midst of paying on a personal basis the amount, and we reached a point where we just couldn't live with the amount of money that it was costing us out of funds that we knew we hoped could be protected and directed. And when we got my mother's situation in hand, we also used Chris's help in setting up our own trust and wills and all the various documents that are necessary. Well, Chris really helped us in dealing with my mother, because he knew what to do. He examined what we were told was a trust document that my mother had, and as it turns out, it was something that was just totally inadequate. We had to have that changed. Chris walked us through that entire process, the various authorities legally that I would need to be able to conduct the business I needed to do to keep my mother's financial boat afloat. And he helped us to the point of going to the nursing home with my mother to sign various documents and to make sure that we all were on the same page, if you will.